Understanding I'm at my wit's end. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very interesting English phrase, I'm at my wit's end. This expression is commonly used, but what does it really mean? Let's unravel this together and explore how you can use it effectively in your conversations. I'm at my wit's end means that someone is extremely frustrated and cannot think of any more ways to solve a problem. The word wit refers to mental sharpness or intelligence. So, when you're at your wit's end, it implies that your mental resources have been exhausted. This phrase has a biblical origin, coming from the Psalms in the Old Testament, where it describes a state of despair. Over time, it has evolved to express a feeling of being overwhelmed by a situation, not necessarily to the point of despair but certainly to a significant degree of frustration. Here are a few examples to help you understand how to use I'm at my wit's end in conversation. After trying to fix the computer for hours, I'm at my wit's end. She was at her wit's end trying to juggle work and parenting during the lockdown. The constant noise from the construction site has brought me to my wit's end. Notice that it's often used to express personal frustration or the peak of one's ability to cope with a challenging situation. Understanding synonyms can help you broaden your vocabulary. Here are some related expressions. Frustrated to the point of giving up. At the end of one's rope. Out of ideas. These phrases convey similar feelings of frustration and exhaustion of options. I'm at my wit's end is a powerful expression that vividly describes the feeling of being overwhelmed and out of solutions. We hope this video has illuminated its meaning, origins, and how you can use it in your own conversations. Remember, learning phrases like this can add depth to your English communication skills. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this explainer helpful.